guys, so I'm back with another video and I am here with Kristen.
Hey y'all!
God help me.
And I said y'all.
You said y'all. She's not from the South.
Nowhere near.
So I have this here today. And that is because Hey Jess. That is because Kristen is going to be blindfolded and doing my makeup.
She trusts me.
Help.
Also,
And we are here with a live studio audience. Which is Nikita, who is off camera right now, and Jimmy as well, who is, there he goes, he's behind the camera.
also shout out to Jimmy for coming up with the blindfold part.
Yes, it was. We were just gonna have Kristen do my makeup, but then Jimmy actually came up with the idea for her to be blindfolded. So thanks, Jimmy. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. I am going to, help Kristen as like minimally as possible, but also like we don't want to ruin any of the products. So
yeah, that's number one for us. I can do this. I can put on a blindfold.
Okay, I don't think she can see.
This is your knee, right?
That is my knee. Alright, so see if you can, I'll help you, but right here, look, here's the box. See if you can.
Think this is it?
Yeah, that's it. I'm so scared right now.
Alright.
Okay, that's, there I am. Okay.
Hold on.
Why are you holding it that close? You look
Hold on! I also had it facing towards me. We're starting off real well.
This is going great.
Alright, let me find your face again.
Okay.
Did I get you?
Yeah. Okay. Here's the foundation. Do you want me to? Okay. It's like running out, so you gotta kind of. Okay.
Oh.
Wait, hold on. Let me get it so it's. Okay, now you can squeeze. There you go. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay.
I couldn't feel it at first. Okay, I
wait.
think I can do this.
Lord, I'm scared.
How many things you go to the neck, chest area?
Alright,
Alright.
what's next?
I'm going to attempt to do your eyebrows.
Oh Lord.
Okay, I think this is the spoolie.
Okay.
It feels like a thing.
I can't tell.
I can't. Oh my god.
I think I got it. Okay.
That's it.
No, I'm gonna go back.
Okay.
But
You're going back and forth? Okay. It does feel like you're in my eyebrows. Kind of. Oh, well,
Sorry.
I spoke too soon.
I was so close yet so far. Oh, we look like okay. Okay, let's go back now. Wait, where is it? There it is. I'm so sorry, Angie.
Oh my god, why are you in my hair? I feel like my eyebrow just went into my hair. Bitch, what the fuck? Alright, do you need to do more, or do you feel like that's have you reached perfection?
I feel like that's cool.
Okay.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Do you want to do under my eyes too?
Did I not get
That was not my under eye. No, no. Okay, you got it, you got it, you got it.
I think I did it.
Okay, should we open my eyes now and then maybe try to go under my eyes?
Maybe.
Okay.
I feel like Angie.
Okay, you were kind of there. You were. Okay, okay, other one. Okay. Here's the bit. There you go. Flop it. Yep, yep. Okay.
Okay, I feel like you're gonna be so pretty.
Oh, yeah, great. Can't wait. All right. Okay. See, here's the issue though. Kristen's not very familiar with the James Charles palette, so she doesn't exactly know where the colors are. So there it is. There's like the cover part, and like
Okay.
here's where the shadows are. Do you want like a blending brush first? What kind of brush do you want?
Give me the blendy brush.
But like for the crease, kind of.
Sure.
Blendy.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. I'm trying to get the like other excess color.
So I want you all to know that I want to try to do like a blue thing. I don't know if I'm gonna succeed because I have no idea this palette.
Middle, bottom. I'll say that. I'll say middle bottom of the palette.
Okay.
Here's your blendy brush.
Okay, so I don't want to like just stab my finger.
Yeah, then just go gently. You're alright. Wait, tap off the excess!
Oh yeah, that's a thing.
There you go. Okay.
Okay, so I apologize. I'm trying not to poke you in the eye.
My eyes are closed, so it's alright.
Okay. Let's try to balance it with a color. We'll just choose one randomly.
Oh, okay, we're gonna do that. Alright. We want to use the same brush?
We can use a different one if you have it.
Girl, do you not realize how many brushes I have? Do you want another blendy brush, or do you want like a packing color on the lid kind of brush?
Yeah, packing color.
Packing color on. Okay, so we're gonna take this back. I'm holding the palette for you.
We're gonna go with this color.
All right.
Start with this side.
Okay.
Okay, this is your eyeball.
You're like plugging one of my nostrils with your finger.
I'm so sorry.
It's just I was trying to breathe through my nose, and then you're just like. Okay, go ahead.
So let's find it again, hopefully. Maybe, I don't know. I think this is it.
At least you picked the same color. Sorry, I was repeated off your phone, so I got distracted.
Yeah. I hope this is the right part of your body.
I mean, you're on my face, so.
Alright, hopefully we get the same color again, maybe? No, I guess not, 'cause I didn't get a clap.
I'm actually not entirely sure. You might have, but I don't know.
I'm sorry, I'm just trying to make sure I don't go too far off your eyelid.
Yeah? Is that what you're doing? Alright.
What makes now different?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more.
Uh-huh.
Okay, look at this side again. Maybe. Okay, now I would like to do your inner corner. Do you have a brush for this?
Uh-huh. Support the palette so it doesn't fall. Supporting. Okay.
Angie's never letting me do this again.
This could be like inner corner, and also if you want to highlight the brow bone, I mean,
Okay.
if you're feeling adventurous.
Okay.
It's like a flat brush like the other one, but it's just a little thinner.
All I know is that the top or the middle has like highlighty type stuff, right? It's the bigger ones in the middle. So. Okay, I'm gonna go maybe more right. This one.
Sure. Yeah. No, that one's fine. It's better than the other one that you had. Here's the palette. There you go.
Alright, I think the more vibrant colors are on the bottom. So, I think this one.
Oh, I have to have my eyes open. Fuck. Okay. Oh, Lord, help me.
I'm going to try. This is the corner, right?
Are you even touching my face right now with the brush? Okay. Alright.
Corner of the eye. Okay. See if I choose the right one again. I think I want this one. Okay.
I am living for your reactions right now.
I'm gonna try to blend it with another color.
Oh, okay. There's your brush. Remember to tap off the excess. There you go.
Hold on, I have to blend more.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, wait, I should probably not have your picture. You just went in. You were confident.
Alright.
That's the cap. Oh, there you go. There. No.
Let me turn it then.
There you go. Okay, tap, tap. Uh-huh. Why did you go up and down? The Karate Kid right now.
Just making sure there's enough.
Uh-huh. Oh my god, there's colors in this highlighting palette that are too dark for me.
I guess I chose wrong. I don't remember which one I was.
Well, just go for it. Oh, we're going that side again? Alright.
Yeah, I tried to build up.
Oh, we want to. Okay, we're building. That's my hair. Alright. There could be foundation in my hair. I don't know. Oh, wow, we're really. We're just gonna use every single color in the palette right now.
Oh, I didn't realize I was doing that.
Okay.
Great, right here, maybe? I don't know. We're just gonna go with it.
We're still on the same side of my face? Alright. Oh my god.
Alright. So let's try the other side.
So
sorry, I forgot to tap.
That's the problem here. I'm crying.
Now you're gonna ruin your makeup.
God. Yeah, I'm gonna ruin my makeup from crying.
Okay, alright, so then I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna do the nose real quick.
Uh-huh.
So.
I would like you to know that so far you've used every single shade except one.
Well, let me get the lip pen.
Oh, uh-huh. You must stick your finger on my nose.
Okay, I think I've highlighted you successfully.
Okay.
Did I do it?
All right, and for our lovely blue look that Kristen did, we have this Jeffree Star blue liquid lipstick that she picked
I
out.
could have used that for eyeliner.
Okay.
Did I get it?
Uh-huh.
Did I do it?
Yeah, you got it.
I have a tissue for my hand
Yeah.
with excess. And then we're going to do some lips.
Ow, that was in my mouth. You literally stuck the wand in my mouth.
I'm so sorry. I'm
That's
just gonna
what
get the
she
one on my bowl. Because I don't know how it looks right now.
Mm.
I'm gonna go for the up.
Mm. All right, before you take off your blindfold, for the people, this is the final look. Okay.
I feel like I'm about to like see my house for the first time.
Is it beautiful? Okay. Okay.
No!
I'm scared.
I think the foundation came out okay.
Oh my god! Wow. Wow. I mean, oh boy. What is that? Yeah, we have eyebrows to the hairline, eyebrows for days. The highlight, despite the fact that you used every single color, starting with this one, the highlight isn't terrible. I can't get over the fucking eyeliner and lips. It's just,
It's complete.
wow. So, that is today's look.
You should go out like that.
It's a look.
I want you to go to
It's
the
a
store.
look.
Definitely get some looks.
Please send photos to everyone.
Oh my god. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you got a laugh out of it, because we certainly did. All the links for JK Angel Media will be in the description box below. as well as all of my links and such like that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!